All right, everybody. This is a quick tutorial on how to access some of the things on Classhub and to get it started. I just did this same process and I was able to control all of the computers in my classroom. Everything seemed to work pretty fine. So get to your Google Drive and then go to Shared with Me. And then the name of the file is going to be TOT Class Hub. So I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down. And it's right here, TOT Class Hub, shared by Javier from the district office. So if you click on it, you'll have a bunch of things, and you can go through, the overview and all this stuff. But if you just want to get started, click on Getting Started. And then what you want to do is on your PC or Mac, you want to find this icon. There's a couple of ways to do it. On my PC, I could just come down here and just type in Class Hub, and you can see that it comes up in a search. I can also go to my little Windows icon and then just search alphabetically. They come up, and I just look for Class Hub. There's Class Hub Teacher. It could already just be on your desktop somewhere. So basically what you're going to do is you are going to just look for this icon. And when you do that, it's going to start up Clever, which Clever is going to take all the information from Synergy and it's going to put it into Classhub. So that means all of your classes. So then what you want to do is once you're in Clever as login, you want to click the teacher login. You want to put your entire login. That means your the at longbeachschools.net as well as your login name. So your login name at longbeachschools.net, and then your password that you would normally use for rapid identity for logging in. And once you do that, the Classhub like teacher dashboard will come up, and it looks like this. Okay, so I've already logged in through Clever. This is the dashboard, and so all I have to do is come up here and select a class and then start it. Okay, so there's all the kids in my one period of student help desk. And so what the kids need to do is they need to install two different things. And what I've done is I have created a bit.ly. When I clicked on the bit.ly that they gave us, and I think it may be on this one, class resources. Well, actually, this is a lot of different links. Anyway, what they need to do is they need to get to basically the way to install the extension and the app on their Chromebooks. And that's something that the kids are going to have to do themselves, or you're going to have to walk them through that part. So you already have the teacher part on. Now the kids need to put the student part on. What I've done is I've created a bit.ly. The bit.ly on one of the pieces of paperwork that we were given, to me, when I clicked on it, it didn't work. So I created one myself, and it's bit.ly/ClassHub Jordan. Okay, so if you type that in, bit.ly/class hub Jordan, and you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. Then all the students need to do is install app and install the extension, and then that's it. Then now you are ready to control their computers, and then you can play around with the what it does. I'm going to have a couple of tutorials coming up about the functionality, but what will happen is these little boxes here, you'll be able to see the screens. You want to make sure that up here it says screen peek on. You can lock devices. You can, if you click on web pages, then you can put in a web page right here, and you can lock the browser so the kids can't get out of that web page. So let's say you want them to watch one YouTube video, you lock them into that one YouTube video. You can see with my kids, I put them at the Anaheim Ducks website, and I gave them like a half an hour to try to get out of it, and they couldn't. So they were locked in. So I'll click out of that. You can send alerts. If you click this one, you can enter a message, and then that will appear on all of the screens. And then there's a push screen. That means you can push your own screen to your students. You can lock them into certain applications, like let's say you have like a math program or whatever. So there's a lot of different things you can do. And you can also do all of that for each individual student. So if you click on one student, once the screen peak comes up, you can just talk to that one student or lock that one student's computer and just deal with that one student. So I know that's kind of like the quick and dirty tutorial. I will have a little bit more, but I just wanted to make sure that everybody was able to try to get on right now. So locate that ClassHub teacher app on your computer. It should be on your desktop. Um, if you try to download an app or an extension on your desktop computer, it will not work. It only works on Chromebooks, and that's let's see, that's this. This is what students use, and then what you use is the teacher dashboard. Okay, they're two different things and they will not work with each other. So you have to make sure that you're on the right stuff. So locate the teacher icon that's already been pushed out to your computer. Have students go to bit.ly /class hub Jordan. This will come up, have them install the app and the extension, and hopefully you're good to go. Email me with questions.